Today I am reviewing the Shark StainStriker Portable Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a pet owner, a parent, or simply someone who takes immense pride in keeping their home and car pristine, you know how incredibly frustrating it is to deal with stubborn, unexpected stains. Whether it is a sudden coffee spill on an expensive living room rug, messy tracking from muddy pet paws, or deeply embedded grime inside a car's fabric interior, standard scrubbing rarely gets the job done. That is exactly where the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet, Upholstery, and Area Rug Cleaner steps in. Sporting a beautiful Nordic Blue finish under model number PX202BRN, this lightweight, compact machine aims to redefine how we tackle deep-set spots, spills, and lingering odors. Today, we are breaking down everything this powerful little cleaner offers, unpacking the science behind its unique formula mixing system, and seeing if it deserves a permanent spot in your cleaning closet. Let's dive right into this detailed look at the Shark StainStriker. First impressions matter, and when you first unbox the StainStriker, the very first thing you notice is just how exceptionally lightweight and user-friendly it is designed to be. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, it completely eliminates the heavy, back-breaking awkwardness usually associated with traditional, bulky carpet cleaning machines. This lightweight profile makes it an absolute dream to carry up and down narrow staircases, move smoothly from room to room, or transport out to the driveway to detail a vehicle's interior. Its compact footprint also means that when you're finally done cleaning up a mess, it tucks away beautifully and conveniently into a small linen closet or a utility shelf without taking up half your storage space. But portability is nothing without raw cleaning power, and the engineering under the hood of the StainStriker is incredibly impressive. The real magic of this machine lies in Shark's dual-activated cleaning system. Instead of forcing you to guess the mixture ratios or pre-mix everything in a single bucket, the StainStriker features 2 separate solution tanks. It holds Shark's Deep Clean Pro formula in one chamber and the OXY Multiplier formula in another. The genius part is that these 2 formulas automatically combine inside the handheld spot and stain remover right as you spray the mess. By delaying the chemical reaction until the exact microsecond of application, the active ingredients cross-activate at maximum potency. Shark notes that this delivers an incredible 20 times more stain-striking power compared to using their standard formula alone, making short work of embedded spots that other spot cleaners leave behind. Once that dual-activated solution goes to work lifting the grime from the individual fabric fibers, the StainStriker's ultra-powerful suction takes over. A common flaw with entry-level carpet extractors is that they lack the suction power to pull the liquid back out, leaving your upholstery soaking wet for days and risking mildew. Shark completely avoided this pitfall by designing a high-velocity suction pathway that pulls out embedded spots and moisture with remarkable efficiency. It leaves your surfaces incredibly close to dry, delivering beautiful, like-new visual results. It doesn't just mask the stain on the surface. It aggressively draws the deep-set liquids out from the backing of your area rugs and the dense foam of your car seats. For pet parents, this machine is an absolute lifesaver. Dealing with the visual stain of a pet accident is hard enough, but treating the invisible, stubborn, and lingering odors, like pet urine, is notoriously difficult. The OXY Multiplier formula used in the StainStriker works at a molecular level to instantly and permanently break down those odor-causing proteins. Rather than just covering up the smell with a heavy artificial perfume, it neutralizes it completely, ensuring your pets aren't drawn back to the same exact spot to repeat the behavior. It is equally effective against tough, stale odors like smoke or spilled milk, making it a comprehensive freshness solution for your entire living space. Versatility is another major highlight of the PX202BRN package, thanks to an extraordinarily generous assortment of included specialized cleaning attachments. Out of the box, Shark includes a mini stain eliminator for tight corners, a standard 3.5-inch stain eliminator for everyday spills, and a massive 7-inch XL stain eliminator tool that allows you to cover wide swathes of area rugs or sofa cushions in a fraction of the time. Most notably, it comes with a dedicated Pet Mess Extractor tool. This smart attachment is engineered to capture pet hair, solid debris, and heavily soiled liquids directly inside the tool head itself, preventing the gross, messy materials from ever traveling up the long main hose and keeping your main machine interior hygienic and easy to clean. To complement this impressive array of hardware, Shark includes full-size bottles of their premium cleaning chemistry to get you started immediately. You receive a 16-ounce bottle of the Deep Clean Pro formula alongside a massive 32-ounce bottle of the OXY Multiplier formula. This ensures you have more than enough cleaning power to tackle a whole home refresh right away, moving effortlessly from the carpets to your favorite living room armchair, and then out to the garage to detail your car mats. To wrap things up, the Shark StainStriker portable carpet and upholstery cleaner stands out as a highly compelling, beautifully engineered package. By combining a lightweight, under 9-pound chassis with an innovative dual-activated chemistry mixing system and ultra-powerful extraction suction, it delivers the absolute raw cleaning performance of a massive industrial cleaner inside a wonderfully portable design. It effortlessly simplifies the process of dealing with life's unexpected messes, making it a reliable, high-value asset for families and pet owners alike. If you are looking for a beautiful, whisper-quiet, and brutally effective tool to permanently eliminate spots, deep stains, and tough odors from your home and car, this Nordic Blue StainStriker hits the nail right on the head. It looks sleek on a shelf, performs brilliantly under pressure, and earns a very enthusiastic, highly satisfied recommendation.